Hi, I'm Lenny Mongiello, and I'm here today with Eric Wolf, President of Innolytics, makers of OvoControl. Hey, Eric.
Hi, Lenny. Appreciate that introduction. Yeah, I understand we're going to talk a little bit about using OvoControl.
OvoControl and how to sell it. So we'll start now with a brief introduction. What is OvoControl?
Well, OvoControl is a contraceptive. It's birth control for pigeons.
So PMPs can go to their accounts and offer a reduction in the population of pigeons on the site program with OvoControl.
That's correct. OvoControl is a pigeon management tool, a population management tool. It's a little different than what you're used to in the world of pigeons. You know, we're all used to exclusion and setting up some sort of physical barrier, but when you do that, you're just pushing the pigeons from one place to another. OvoControl allows you to, once you've excluded, for example, you can then reduce the population of birds.
So actually, this is something that you can use in addition to your everyday exclusion or trapping efforts. It's a new tool in your bag to offer to the customer to answer that question: would you like to have less population of pigeons on your property over time? And if the answer is yes, and it usually is, then OvoControl is a solution.
I don't think there's any question, any customer that I speak to or you speak to, one of the first things they want is no pigeons. They want you to get rid of the pigeons today, or the other birds that are causing you the problem. Unfortunately, in this day and age, that is oftentimes not possible.
Well, we can answer that on a specific spot, and that's where exclusion products like Net and Spike and Flex Track are just terrific. But as you say, once they're moved off the hot spots, if they're still on the property, OvoControl gives you something new to sell, but a real benefit to your customer, which is less pigeons on their property over time as they attrit. Let's talk about that. If you have an existing population of pigeons, how soon, once an OvoControl program is started, do the pigeons start to not reproduce?
Well, the product, once you've gone through the pre-mating routine,
yes,
and they start eating OvoControl, it's effective within a few days. Okay. So within a few days of receiving their first doses of OvoControl out of the automatic feeder, their eggs that they're laying are not going to be hatching anymore.
So the population starts to reduce because they're not reproducing within 5 days of application. Now the customer's not going to see this immediately, correct?
That's correct. Okay. I mean, pigeons live anywhere from 2 to 3 years on average, and so the customer has to wait for this pigeon population to naturally reduce. And the term that you use is attrition.
Yeah,
so the population goes down.
But trapping can be combined with OvoControl as well, can it not, as part of an integrated program along with exclusion?
There's no question. Just like in so many other branches of pest control, you get these complex problems that you have to approach from different angles. Trapping and OvoControl go together perfectly because you're providing that customer with that immediate gratification.
Body count, we could call it.
We call it a body count if you want, but it's an immediate reduction. The problem when you use trapping in many sites without something like a contraceptive is that the birds simply breed right back.
Yeah, there's more food, there's more water, they go into overdrive and they actually repopulate almost at the pace of the trapping.
That's correct, and you end up, if you're doing trapping alone, and we've seen many different examples of this, trapping alone, you end up simply harvesting pigeons over time.
So trapping gives you less birds now. Combined with OvoControl, the customer gets less birds over time. So there's a bunch of ways that you can look at our websites and get your eyes and your mind around what this OvoControl thing is in terms of the feeder and the birds and how they react.
Very good.
And we welcome you to contact us, to use our resources, and to make OvoControl part of your integrated bird control program when you find the right site and the right customer. And we're with you all the way, and we're confident of your success.